author talks about the qadhaa of the mayyit. If you remember in the book of Salah, we mentioned that if a person passes away, a father passes away, and he did not pray, and he didn't have the chance to make up for those prayers, the eldest son is obligated to either make them up himself or have someone make them up on the father's behalf. So either he directly does it, or he asks other siblings to help, or he pays someone to do it. But it's his responsibility to make sure that the qadhaa is fulfilled. The same applies to fasting. If someone's father passed away and had a few days or a few weeks or a few months of qadhaa, it is upon the eldest son to make sure that the qadhaa is observed. Now, if the person doesn't have an eldest son, if the person has daughters,
No.
in that case, is she obligated to make up for that fast? No. According to Islamic law, she is not obligated. She can out of her own willingness, and Allah will compensate her. Of course, that's a great act. That's the best thing she could do for her father, to relieve him from this obligation, but she is not required. Yes, brother, you had a question?
Yes. How do you know how much prayer the father has, like, things to make it up?
So usually people will write that in their wasiyah. If they write a will, they will specify how many years or months or days of qadhaa they have. Assuming the person didn't leave a wasiyah, can you estimate? If you can estimate, just make a good estimate and go on that. If you have a doubt, did my father have any qadhaa or no? If it's a doubt, you don't have any certainty, then there's nothing on you. You're not obligated to make up any days based on precaution. No, the precaution here is not mandatory.
So
yes.